Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your oil Honda Accord. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Gather supplies, raise the car safely with ramps or jack stands, and prep a drain pan. Work patiently and keep a clean workspace to avoid spills. Follow torque specs for the drain plug and new filter for a leak-free result. You will want all tools within reach and the right oil and filter on hand. Confirm the oil grade and volume for your specific Accord engine before starting. A sturdy set of jack stands or ramps is safer than a jack alone, and gloves protect your hands from hot oil and grime. Keep a funnel to avoid spills and a magnetic tray for loose bolts to prevent losing parts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading repair manuals, keeping service notes, and saving space in your glove box. It's lightweight and easy to read outdoors. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by warming the engine briefly to circulate oil, then secure the car and position the drain pan. Loosen the drain plug and allow oil to drain completely before reinstalling and tightening to the proper spec. Swap the oil filter promptly to prevent contamination, then add the correct oil amount using a funnel. Check the dipstick for proper level, run the engine for a minute, recheck, and verify there are no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.